Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, the channel that saves you time, money, and the headache of making bad purchases. Today, we're soaring into the skies with two drones, the Holystone HS440 and the TENSSENX GPS Drone. Who's gonna take the crown? Let's find out. First up, let's talk cameras. Holystone HS440 boasts a 1080p HD auto-adjustable camera. It's like the little engine that could. Small but mighty. You get a 112 degrees wide-angle lens to capture all the majestic views or, your neighbor's backyard. Reviewers appreciate the decent quality images despite some choppiness in the feed. On the other hand, we have the TENSSENX GPS Drone with a 4K ultra-clear camera. Yes, 4K, folks! This thing can capture the freckles on a squirrel's nose from 100 feet away. Plus, it's got a 120 degrees wide-angle lens and 90 degrees adjustability. Reviewers rave about its high-quality camera and suitability for both beginners and experienced users. A verdict? If you're a stickler for detail and can't stand anything less than 4K, TENSSENX is your go-to. But if you're okay with 1080p and want a more budget-friendly option, Holystone's got your back. Next, let's talk airtime. Holystone HS440 gives you a solid 20 minutes of flight. That's enough time to spy on the entire neighborhood, or just enjoy some scenic views, whatever floats your boat. Reviewers find the battery life satisfactory for its price range. Now, TENSSENX? This bad boy offers a whopping 46 minutes of flight time, thanks to its two modular batteries. That's almost an entire episode of your favorite Netflix show. Reviewers love the extended battery life, which makes it perfect for longer flights. Winner? Hands down, TENSSENX. More flight time means more fun, and who doesn't want that? Now, ease of use. Holystone HS440 is like the iPhone of drones. Automatic takeoff, precise hovering, and even a one-key high-speed rotation. It's like the drone is doing all the work while you sit back and take the credit. Reviewers highlight its ease of learning and smart features. TENSSENX GPS Drone also comes with some nifty features like headless mode, one-key takeoff/landing, and optical flow positioning. Plus, it's got GPS auto return home. So if you're prone to losing things like your car keys, your phone, or your dignity, this drone's got you covered. Reviewers appreciate these features, but some have reported issues with the auto return home function. Ease of use? It's a tie. Both drones are user-friendly, but TENSSENX has that GPS auto return home feature, which is a lifesaver for the forgetful among us. Lastly, portability. Holystone HS440 is compact and foldable, and it comes with a carrying case. It's like the Swiss Army knife of drones. Throw it in your backpack, and you're good to go. Reviewers love its compact design and durability. TENSSENX GPS Drone is also foldable and comes with a durable carrying case. Plus, it's under 250 grams, so no FAA registration needed. It's like the James Bond of drones, sleek, efficient, and ready for action. Reviewers praise its portability and lightweight design. Portability? Another tie! Both drones are perfect travel companions, ready to follow you on any adventure. Both the Holystone HS440 and the TENSSENX GPS Drone have received positive reviews for their specific strengths. Holystone HS440 is praised for its durability, ease of use, and budget-friendly price. Meanwhile, TENSSENX GPS Drone is lauded for its high-quality camera, extended flight time, and advanced features, though some users have reported issues with the auto-return home function. So there you have it, folks. Both the Holystone HS440 and the TENSSENX GPS Drone have their strengths. If you're ballin' on a budget, go for the Holy Stone. But if you want to splurge a bit for those extra features and longer flight time, the TENSSENX is your sky buddy. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. Until next time, keep flying high and buying smart.